recording.
Okay, this is mini class number 2. This is the interactive CMA class using www.toolkitcma.com. Okay, so are you guys ready? On your home computer, you're probably most likely going to be using this on your home computer. So on some of the computers here at the office we do have the Toolkit CMA set up. But most likely on your home computer you're going to need to set up the system. So I haven't done anything on this computer yet so you can see it from start to finish basically. So on your home computer you're going to want to open Internet Explorer or whatever browser service that you're using. Up in the toolbar you're going to want to type in www.toolkitcma.com and hit enter. It's going to take you to Toolkit CMA. The staff needs to sign you up with an account if you don't already have one. So if you've never signed up on Toolkit CMA before, the staff is going to have to set you up with an account. When we set you up, so you'll just give us a call and say, hey, I'd like to start using my Toolkit CMA account. It does charge the office for you guys, so we don't sign you up unless you're going to use it, is basically how it works. So if you do want to use it, then you'll have to call us and say, can you please set me up for my Toolkit or Interactive CMA account, and we'll set you up and you'll receive an email in your inbox. So when you get the email in your inbox, it'll give you your username and password, which you can then change at a later time. Do you have a question, lady?
Do you know if we're already signed up with an account?
We can find out if you are. So if you've done it before and you just don't remember your password or username, then we can look. I can look that up for you. So
okay,
just give
great.
me a call afterwards. So once you get that email with your login information, you'll go on to where we just went, toolkitcma.com, and then you'll type it in. So I'm going to use a temporary account to log in with mine.
Now, is that the account number you're talking about that you're typing in now?
This is the number that I'm typing in now is an account that's already been set up. But this would, yes, username would be your email address, and then your password would be assigned to you in that email. So you would type in that information, and then you can change it at a later time. I think your login is always your email though. So then you're going to click on sign in. You won't have this screen, so don't worry about it. This is that's for brokers, or designated brokers. So when you sign into your screen, you're going to get this screen. So this is the setup screen. So it's going to say verify configuration and setup, and it's going to have some information about download times. Basically, you need to download this program onto your computer. So it just has a continue button. You're going to hit the continue button, and that'll start the download. So it'll say downloading components, and then it takes a few minutes. It's going to run through the whole process, and you'll see the little scroll bars and everything, so just let it be. Sometimes you might get an error up at the top. It'll go bloop, and you'll have a little yellow bar that comes down that says that you have a pop-up blocker that is blocking your download. If you do get that, if you right-click on the little bar that says your pop-up has been blocked, and click on allow pop-ups or download now. It should have one of those options. And then if you did click on allow pop-ups, just click on the continue button again and it should work that way. So it'll pop up and do that. Sometimes if you have a download block or a pop-up blocker, it'll block that. So once you download the system, it's going to download it onto your computer and put a shortcut on your desktop. So that'll be really easy for you guys. You'll just be able to double-click the shortcuts, the CMA shortcut on your desktop. Once it's downloaded, it'll take you to the main screen. So that's great. You have this available. It's pretty much going to look exactly like it is right now, and this is the start page. If you haven't started or set up your agent profile yet, you're going to want to go in and do that. So one of the major benefits of this system is that it auto-imports your information on each page. So your picture, your name, phone number, all that stuff, you know, fancy real estate broker, all those things. So your information gets put on each page for you. You don't have to go in and type it all. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into edit my agent profile. You're going to want to type in your title. So this one says marketing and sales specialist, designated broker. This is Pat's account, so it's going to be a little bit different. You would put real estate broker or sales specialist, something like that. And then if you have any designations, you always want to leave the realtor mark blank because we are not members of realtors. So we have the Board of Ethics instead. So you just leave that. It's already defaulted to leave blank. Put in your company information, your phone number, fax, email, everything that you want your clients to contact you at. So that's just basic information. And then you're going to save down at the bottom. So then right underneath Edit My Agent Profile is Add Change My Agent Photo. So same thing, you have your photos usually saved on your computer at home. Go into Add Change My Agent Photo, and then you're going to be able to browse for your photo. That'll take you to your desktop, My Documents, My Pictures, wherever you have your photo saved. And then you're going to upload it from there. Once you've done that, your photo will be set in there permanently, and it will be put on your paperwork. And then last but not least, there's some other options here. So there's resume. It's very good to have a resume for you guys. It builds your business. It shows your experience. The hard things that you've done and everything. It's a good thing to have a resume in any job. So set up your resume. Hopefully you already have one and you can just copy and paste it into there. If not, go in and type in even a little bit about yourself helps. There's also reference areas, and then here is where you would change your sign-in email or your password. So if you don't like the assigned password that they gave you, I recommend for office programs always using your NW Champions email. So if you have L. Sherwood or C. Nelson at NW Champions or